To us, innovation is everything. It motivates us. It defines us. It makes us dynamic. Engineering craftsmanship. Assurance of quality. It inspires us in the boardroom. And drives us to manufacture machines. Welcome to Sodahub.
Hi, my name is Nanda Srinivas Rao, Managing Director for Sodahub Industrial Automation. We are into manufacturing of all types of beverage machineries and related equipments, and we are also into manufacturing of more than 100 plus flavors which are used for manufacturing the soft drinks. One of our successful product is Goli Soda, which is also known as cod bottle and Goti Soda. In some areas they call it as Goti Soda, some areas they call it as Kancha, some areas they call it as Banta. So we have first manufactured this machine in the year 2017 and took the patent for this same machinery in the year 2019. We are the first company to start this Goli Soda machinery, to start manufacturing this Goli Soda machinery, and the machinery what we have developed is fully automatic. The Goli Soda machinery is fully automatic machinery, and this machine we have different types of models, right from 6 bottles per minute, 12 bottles per minute, 30 bottles per minute. Now we are also developing 60 bottles per minute. This is fully automatic machinery which we have developed. Now our customers, they can just walk in with their names, I mean the brand, whatever brand they want to start. They can just walk into our company and we can give them end-to-end solution right from machinery, flavors and even the bottles also. So we request you to come over and utilize all our services. Till now we have developed so many flavors, and apart from flavors we have also given solutions to more than 200 plus customers, and as of now we have more than 135 brands across the country, and we have also exported to so many other countries like Australia, Dubai, Kuwait, Kenya and so on. We have exported to more than 13 countries till now, and in other countries also the negotiations are on and it's under pipeline, and we are expecting to grow to many parts of the world. Thank you.